I don't think Grok is 10x better than ChatGPT, but I appreciate your opinion. I will take that and hold on a second. What am I going to do with your opinion? Let's see here. There it is. Do you like that? Here it is. I'm going to put that in the litter box. Appreciate your opinion, though. Here comes the reverse causality ASW. Welcome. Imagine being a technical analyst. Look at the crayons out. Let me get the crayons out. Hold on, let me get the crayons out. As you can see, this is what they call a rising doji top. Triple star pattern revealed to me in a dream with Capricorn in retrograde. All right, let's count, here. Let's do this. This is how I do technical analysis. I don't know if you guys know this technique. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. So that's 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. That means the next candle is going to be green. So we're going to get 1 more. And then we have to see what the rhyming pattern says after this. It's a quantum superposition funnel pattern. Never stop making fun of technical analysis. It's not real. Nobody uses it. Retrocausality. Don't worry about it. Okay, so let's see. This level is an important level. Why? I don't know. I drew a line. I made it up. Okay. Well, you know what? We got to zoom in a little. Hold on. 1 fish, 2 fish, 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. I mean, what is school? Sitting down, reading, writing? Like, you can't. What? I mean, yeah, some people don't do school. They're called mentally retarded. All right, I'm gonna get a coffee. 22 years old. You're probably still working at the restaurant. Trying to give me advice? Homie, I wouldn't hire you to lick my dog's balls, let alone mine. I'm very exclusive with my dog ball lickers. You wouldn't make the cut. I'd be interviewing a lot of people and you next. I'm a grown-ass man. I see you haters. I see you haters having fun. That's cool. I got something for you. Don't worry. What's up, Nick?
Hey, Martin. How's it going?
Good. Yeah, Ben, I don't know if you know this, but I put $100,000 in an Interactive Brokers account. Does anybody know how high we got that account to? What do you think, Ben? How much was it? Do you know how much? Anybody remember? 2.4 million. Yeah. Kind of crazy, Ben. 100K to 2.4 mil. And go back to college. Make sure you get an A in your next test. Your baby won a bottle. Oh, you made some bad trades. Oh. Take the losses like a man. Move on. I've never lost money in the stock market before. It's so hard. I only make winning trades. I've never seen a losing trade. I don't know how to react. Refund on what? What refund? When did you pay me money? You know what it sounds like? It sounds like you put way too much money in this one stock. Way too much money. Now go back to McDonald's and make me my favorite double quarter pounder with cheese, no onions. If I see onions, I'm coming to the store and smashing your face with the quarter pounder. Add bacon. If the bacon's not crispy, I'm sending it back. Do you understand me? You have an AI that can input this information for me? Listen, dude, I will pay you $1 million cash if you can give me an AI that will take arbitrary financial information and organize it perfectly into the way I want it. $1 million cash, since you know how to do it. There's this one thing though. If I'm right, well, you're gonna have to do something for me. Let's just put it that way. You're not gonna like it. Hey yo, it's this little trick I learned in prison. Beaver, we don't talk like that, buddy. No anti-Semitism in my chat. All my investors are Jewish. But the second that Arab money comes in, assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Yes, Habibi. How much you invest? Oi, Veda, boy's gay. I'm gonna get my son a little like fake guitar ASAP, so he can pretend he's rocking with dad. Yeah. And we're all gonna clap for him after his performance. No name yet. Junior is a good one. I like that. Junior, come here. Quantinium, dequantinium, 𝗙𝗍𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝐻𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗎
Okay, Wall Street hedge fund dream team, top 5. By the way, in prison, every conversation every day was either top 5 rappers or GOAT basketball, top 5 GOAT basketball. Every time, every day, like, Shkreli, yo, let's ask Shkreli. Yo, Shkreli, man, come settle the dispute. I'm like, okay. Man, my top 5 GOAT is Jay-Z, Biggie, Nas, and whoever. And I'd be like, good choices, classical choices. And the other guy's like, Jadakiss, Jada, Luda, Tupac, something and something. Ja Rule, 50 Cent. And I'm like, interesting. A very diametrical opposition between the picks. And there'd be like 10 thugged out guys sitting around watching. Gentlemen, I must award the winner to the first choices. Even though they seem classical and not creative, the vast majority of people would agree with you. And then I would leave. And they'd be like, oh, I told you, Shkreli said yeah. I was the authority. This is real. It's pedantic, but classical, perhaps even pedantic. Yeah, pedantic.
So I was going to list, okay, so there's your money, your girl's money. This is the order of liquidity. Your girl's purse's money. You got the bank's money, aka margin call. Okay. Then you got little homie's money. That's your homie you've known for a long time. Then you got the big homie. Oh yeah, I forgot about grandma. Grandma, auntie, this is all the same. This all kind of goes here. And that's to avoid the last margin call right there. Bank's money, little homie that you've known forever. Big homie, unfortunately, that is the dealer on the block. That is the big homie. Then at this point, you need, you keep a little gun money in case you have to kill the big homie. I'm not paying no dead man. And yeah, basically that's it. So where is everybody on this list? Let's see, we've blown through this. We blew through this. Some of you are here and you're reluctant to get your money out of your girl's purse. Just go take it. Just go take it. This is a great shorting opportunity. You deserve it. You're the king. Just take that, girl. Just take the money right out of her purse. And remember the techniques I showed you. We got robbed. We got robbed too. You must have lost it. And then, most of all, when the trade works, put it back. Put the money back. Let's say you blow through the margin call. You go to little homie. Little homie's done. You got to go to the big homie. And that's basically the last stop. I mean, I don't know. Can you guys think of something else? Is there another investor of last resort? Is the top in? Is the top in? It's in? Oh, yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Okay. We got a couple more things. Plasma money is slow, but plasma money is kind of what you use to collateralize the little homie. You tell them you got that plasma money. Okay. Okay. After you off the big homie, you got the corner store. This is Korean. You can learn a couple words in Korean so they know you're serious. And again, this is where having that gun money is a good investment. We wouldn't need to make this investment if we were better at regular investing, now would we? Got the corner store. Okay, credit card advance kind of just is like part of your money. I mean, that just comes straight off the rip. If you're not using that credit card advance to the max, I don't know what you're doing. Local bank, you'll probably get a good 20, 30K there. One of the big rookie mistakes is the eyes and the ski mask. It's got to cover the ears. Ears are very identifiable. Yeah, so that's basically where are you in this current lineup? Where are you? Everybody's got a different place. You are here. You are here. Going to the little homie. Oh, 𝗥𝗢𝗙𝗧. I'm so sorry D-Wave up so much, but IONQ down so much too.
𝗥𝗢𝗙𝗧, did you learn anything from Mike and Ike? I stopped reading to you because I guess you fell asleep or something. We're just gonna start going into qubits. Could have learned so much, 𝗥𝗢𝗙𝗧, but you refused. You just want to read Reddit instead of learning something. 𝗥𝗢𝗙𝗧, ladies and gentlemen. What are you saying to me, Ben Wilson? What are you saying? Alejandro, do you think you'll ever learn something about quantum computing? Like any basic facts? Not important? Not necessary? No need. Good, Baggie. Now read a book. Is a quantum gonna be the future because it's new? So it's good. Value investing style for areas that don't apply. What the fuck does that mean? Ben, when did you start watching? Callers are losing money, really? Okay, January, got it. So you believe that my 25-year investment career is boiled down to the last few months? I wish it was on probation, man. Hey, let me open the window real quick. Is this thing open? I think it's locked. I have to call maintenance or something. Doesn't open. Maybe I'm just too weak. Ah, damn it.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. See if you could open it. Thanks. Wait, not that much. Not that much. Position's not okay. A little bit, just a tiny bit. If the stock price goes up, we just.
Dude, I didn't realize there's like not a screen there.
Yeah, there's no screen. It's all the way down. Thank you, bro. Okay. At 1850, we have to open the window a little bit more. Oh boy, here we go. God damn it. Vlad, do you work out every day? I can't pull this thing up. Well, we're back below 1850 anyway, so. No, you don't have to ban bagahundro. It's just, I think that like an animal in a cage, it's good to learn from bag holders. Why do we keep animals in the zoo? For our entertainment and also to learn. We had a lot of phones in jail, and they really didn't want us to have cell phones. And we had a lot of cell phones. And well, let's say this. They thought I was responsible for a lot of that. Yeah, Roblox is one of these, you know, it is kind of one of these. I think RD being flat for Roblox is good. That's what you want. You don't want these guys scaling costs. Yeah, doing too. It was extra. Doing too much with it. I had 2 cell phones in my cell, and they could never catch it. They kept trying to catch it. This guy goes, "Shkreli, where is it? I know it's in here." And I go, "What? Are you looking for my cookies? Here they are." I open the cookies. "What are you looking for?" The guy was like, "Fucking guy." And then the other guy, they grabbed me, and it's like the warden and the head of investigations. And they go, "What did we tell you, Shkreli? What did we tell you when we first got here?" And what they said was, "Listen, man, do whatever you want. Just don't get a phone. You get a phone, we have a problem. You get a phone, you know, there's going to be a huge problem. You do anything else you want, just don't get a phone." Of course, I got a phone. And the guy goes, "What did we tell you when you first got here, Shkreli?" And I go, "Enjoy your stay at MDC?" And he's like, "All right, Shkreli, spread them." Cell phones are mostly sneaked into the prison by the guards, quite frankly. Yeah, they don't fit SV. There's a big difference between cheeking and boofing. I always had goons to do it. I never had to hold anything. I had the homies. The best part was I'd be on my phone, and the guards would be coming or something, and a guy would be grab my phone and go stash it from me. Like, "No, wait, hold on a second. I have to finish this DM." Guys, "Give me a fucking thing, Shkreli, they're almost here." And they'd go and they'd like remove a brick from the wall that looked like, you know, put the phones in there and then push the brick back in, and like be like some false contraptions we built. There were very few iPhones in prison. There was, you don't want an iPhone in prison because it's hard to get chargers for it. So we had Samsungs, typically J7s, the J series, J7, J9. These are like $100 phones. But listen, you don't care when you're in prison. I mean, any cell phone is money in the bank. No TVs in our cells. Could you imagine like sharing your hotspot and you have your gang name as your hotspot, Blood set, MOB, money over bitches. That's a local set here in Brooklyn. And the guards are like, what the hell is Blood's MOB? Man, somebody has a hotspot on in here. Yeah, there's some cartel guys, but they knew that we had phones. I mean, they were not stupid. They even would tell me, like the warden and these guys, they were slimier than the criminals. They would tell us, like, yeah, Shkreli, we know you got some phones in there. We don't know what you're up to, but man, just don't do anything stupid, all right? Like, yeah, I hear you. I got you.
Or you can find a startup that's a weird special situation like me. I'm crazy. You want to come work here? You better be crazy too. I might go to your apartment and say, where's Charles? Say your name is Charles. And your girlfriend screams, ah! I'm like, where's Charles? Say, who are you? Don't worry about that. I'm Charles's boyfriend. Shut up. Charles, where are you at? What do you want, Martin? Why are you at my house? Charles, the sight's down. What? Said, the sight's down. Wake up. You want that? Is this what you want? Is this what you want?
You know, it's funny. I could spend the rest of my life just hanging out with cool celebrities, drinking, getting high, spending money, going crazy. But I'd rather look up the Roche 2014 annual report.
Man, my girl's purse is never empty, man. Get out of here. That's the great thing about wifey. They're always financially responsible, and they're willing to work while you gamble. So they're responsible. They do their job dutifully, and you sit there, babe, I got the next best thing, and she basically humors it. She's not stupid. She knows what's going on. She knows exactly what's going on. And, you know, whether your girl works at the hair salon, whether your girl works the grocery store, wherever she work at, you know, she's working hard for you. And you're taking the money and throwing it away. Why not? Wifey, backup liquidity, little homie, big homie, cousin, auntie, Gucci store. These are all liquidity sources. You never worked on Wall Street. You're nobody. Go away. Yeah, you can play video games, but to make it your profile picture is like insanely gay. I play video games. I play the girl character in the video game, Leona. Imagine me having a Leona profile picture. That's my identity. That's what represents me, Leona's strength. With her sword, I defend the rift. And when I play Leona, I become her. And my shield will protect you. What the fuck? That's the kind of shit you're into. Some weird alternative lifestyles. Where you pretend you're an anime picture. Or cosplay. You probably cosplay, don't you, dog? You probably cosplaying. Yeah, so we're making fun of you. It doesn't matter whether you are or you denied it or not. You're still a nerd. We can still make fun of you. I mean, I'm sure furries are proud of being furries. We still make fun of furries. It doesn't make you immune that you're proud of it. Is English not your first language? Do you have something wrong against gay people? You're not ESL. That's not English. Do you have something wrong against gay people? I have something wrong against that bastardization of English. I have something wrong. Is there something wrong? Oh, Alexander, do you want any last things to say before I ban you? I mean, I don't understand what you're even saying.